Me chat to
Me and your woman. If me come to you and me say, Daniel, leave that alone. And me say, yeah, give me look attitude. And me say, you know you chat too much.
I'm too enough.
Are you too enough?
Okay.
Yeah, come tell me about who really can chat when me want chat. Daniel can talk when you want talk. Okay. But me come to you as a woman and me say, yo, B, leave that alone.
Me a defend you.
Me say, yo, B, leave that alone. There is no communication in this relationship. Come here, go turn to your woman and me say, yo, B, step this one out. Just like how you can look on me and say, yo, B, leave that alone. And me say, yeah, B, me leave it alone. The first thing you turn to indicate to come disrespect me. And tell me who me for go fuck from who me leave out a certain place. And I did not disrespect you.
Yes, I me chat too much and me too no.
How is that disrespectful?
Yes, glad.
How is that
if you are defend somebody and the person come round go talk about you chat too much, you too no.
How is that disrespectful?
You chat too much, you too no. Now disrespect that.
How is that disrespectful?
Now disrespect that.
How is that disrespectful? When you come to the person, you say to the person, say, leave this alone, be.
Me say me a talk.
And you say me a talk.
And what was your remark? What was your remark?
Me say, you see you chat too much.
Me too no.
You're too enough.
Okay.
That is what I said to you.
And I disrespect
How is that disrespectful?
And I disrespect that.
How is that disrespectful?
And I disrespect.
Your first response was that you're not going to stop talk. And you're going to continue to say what you say. That's not disrespectful. Come to you as your woman and I say, yo, believe out of that. You're not, I have to tell me, say, you're not left out of it. And you're going to continue to talk. And I say, you see, you talk too much. Me not disrespect your youth. And the first remarks not going to pass is that me have to
disrespect that man, everything.
Me have to go back and it's a yard. Who me fi go fuck like some me and some slut, brother. Me come to you calm and me say, B, leave that alone. That is all I said to you.
And then what?
And then you come talk, but you're not such and such. And me say,
me say me a talk. Me say me a talk. Because me want to talk.
Me say, you see,
and your remarks is you're too enough, you chat too much. And I hear me and say now, you me a defend. Me a no good man, bumbo clad. Yes, me a the worst fucking man. Yeah, man.
You see, if you did somebody
yeah,
who take things personally,
yes, man.
What me said to you would offend you. Because you would have said me, you know, say, be a tell me some believe this.
Would offend me?
Talk too much.
Me just stand front.
The least little thing me said to you offend you.
Me then front of
little thing me said to you.
Then front of 3,000 people that defend this cat here. Tell himself it deal with.
My name is
man.
Spencer. And I'm not cat here. Cause that cat here where you defend you disrespect.
If you disrespect me, I deserve disrespect.
How am I disrespecting you, big man?
You cannot defend in front of
you don't know when for Jala, you don't know when for stop. Me come to you and me say, B, leave that alone. There's a reason why I said it. Anytime we mingle up out in a note, now with them said one carry down, you know. So me come to you and me say, yo, leave that alone. Yes, I'm me a talk to you, the blood clot life. I'm cool, man. One blood clot, people see what me say, I put out a blood clot proportion.
Me too enough, me chat too much.
One cool, man.
Me too enough, me chat too much, man. For real, me chat too much, you fuck, yeah. Yeah, you too, I try to change my mindset and I try man up in a life too. Knowing say my first one I got 10, second one I got 2, chook soon turn 1. Me for meds. You see me chat too much with 2, man. Me is a big waste blood clot, man. Yeah, man. I chat too much with 2, man. If a cat can come look for me and say me chat too much, me chat too much with 2, man. I feel away now, but me I gotta take it. You know I got my get. Yeah, man. Chat too much, man. Whether you do it on live or in person, it matters. Me say it better off you go and back around your people them, cause me can't defend your yard disrespect me. That make no sense. That me say to you. Just like how you can't tell me say me chat too much. Yeah, me feel away, so me tell you things for you feel away too. Brawling. Me tell you for you feel away too. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, you feel away, me feel away too. Me feel away, feel a blood clot away too. That's how it is. Pain for pain. And anybody want add in the next pain. Pain, blood clot pain. That's how it is there. How will you tell me, sir?
Chill out for that, leave that alone now. You can't tell me what to say, me attack on one talk. I'm saying, you know.
They on top of your voice like a yarny community attack. You don't have 2,000 feelings, my boy. There's a big sucker dog shit red boy. You know, in a style dirty red boy. You chat too much, you too enough red boy. Yeah, man, me chat too much, man. Red boy, you chat too much. You say you're red and blood clot freckle face. If you have a shoes bottom red boy. Me a dog bed for you, you know. It's a dog bed. If me a go through there, little sit there. Me a dog bed for you, you know. It's a dog bed for you. JD no must laugh. No must laugh. But when me talk a facts, I'm in a busy. It's a big dog bed. Yeah there. Yeah there. Yeah there. Oh. A style, a live, my style upon. Oh. One day here, Mr. Nadia sitting upon live. One day here, Mr. Not like that upon live. Me did say that upon live. One day here, Mr. that upon live. Me? One day here, this that the red dirty drunker, I said that upon live. I guess I'm not entitled. Oh, you entitled to your opinion. I'm not entitled to my one. You entitled to your opinion. Make this make sense. You entitled to your opinion. I'm not entitled to my one. Oh, what the rest this? So are you alone entitled in my building? Me say me wish me have a relationship. Relationship, me say. And we are running up tonight in a chat. Trouble today. 4 rows. Yo, me never say, me want mama. Me say me wish me have a relationship like triple and solitary, not
That's done! Someone me can't repeat it. Rest me now, no? Look how much people are that people on the app with relationship. Guys, use the triple chat.
A triple, you know? Rascal to the user, no? A triple chat, say the user, please.
Good buddy, thank you, man. Me not die chat. Guys, use the triple, me team. Use the triple chat, cause
baby, you're perfect.
triple me team. Do not hearts, money guns, galaxy chat.
Baby. Me not style you, baby girl. Me love you just the way you are. I accept you. Me accept you, baby. Nah, style you. I would never do that. I will never do that. So make we have a one series, not just cuss on a level, no man. Make we have a one series, everybody else a cuss on internet. Make me and your cuss man and later on we go fuck man, just watch and not cuss on a level. Cuss on a level, baby girl. Don't make it too disrespectful. Cuss on a level. Don't make the internet know where we cuss around here, but just cuss on a level, man. Jesus Christ, man. Hey, focus on the little beggings, man. I'm begging around here, so you don't cuss me already. Just cuss on a level. You don't have to cuss too bad. No, tell her to cuss on a level, man. Just a little level. She don't have to cuss. Alright, you know. somebody just say go fuck you. Let me see how this is. Rain, you say go fuck who, you know, come and fuck you. Like you fuck till I see you. How the blood clot this? I forget to stick to bumbo clot. Bro, me not argue with you around here, me not styling. Me not styling, I stop over here.